Let's create a task to deploy the network agent onto our managed machines. From the Kaspersky Administration Kit console, simply find the tasks for specific computers and right-click on that, select New, and we'll select a new task. This will invoke the wizard, and we can give this a name, something that's going to make sense, because generally after deployment you'll have quite a few tasks, so you want this to stand out and be very quick and simple to read. So we'll name it something simple like Deploy Network Agent. And click Next, follow along with the wizard, and we'll go over to the Application Deployment area of the Kaspersky Admin Kit. Select Next and select the Network Agent. Continue on, follow the defaults by clicking Next. Now you do not need to restart the computer after loading the network agent, so simply select Do Not Restart the Computer and continue on. You may choose to move your computer, but at this point, generally with the network agent, we'll just leave it as not moved. And I'll continue with Next. Now you can either select your computer by address if you know the address manually, or select it with Windows Networking. So we'll use the default here with Windows Networking and expand my managed computers to find Pavlov, and we'll click Next. Now with the account, you can use the default account which you loaded Kaspersky Administration Kit on, or you can click on Add and add multiple different domain login credentials or local admin credentials. We're going to take the next default now, and the scheduled start can be configured manually, or you can configure daisy chaining or other options such as weekly, monthly, etc. So if I want to select something like, let's let this run every week, you can have it run on Sunday or Wednesday, a simple start time 6 a.m., 6 p.m. You can change these up and down, and then simply select Next. And you've completed the task wizard. Now you have the network agent ready to deploy. You can always come over to the right hand side with the edit task and edit your schedule, edit your settings, edit the computers that you want to run this on. So let's go over and we'll select edit schedule, and you notice that this looks just like the wizard did. It just has a little different view. So client computers, now I can come down and click add and add this to all of my unassigned computers if I so choose. Click OK. And now to run the task, simply come over to Run Task, and if you want to run it manually right now, click Run Task, and you'll notice that the pie chart turns gray and it's ready to run on one computer. Completed successfully. You can always go to the View Detailed Results to get more information.